Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome guys, welcome to today's class. This is your Prodigy series for ICSE 10th and the topic is ratio and proportions part 2. Alright, so in the previous session we have talked about the ratio and its properties. So we have learned about some of the types of ratios, compound ratio, duplicate ratios, subduplicate, triplicate, subtriplicate. Then we have also solved some question related to it as well, right? And in today's class we are talking about proportion. All right, so proportion, what is proportion? First we'll be doing that, then we'll discuss some questions of proportions, then we'll go for the next question, that is properties of proportion, and we'll solve some questions of properties of proportion as well. All right, so all this we are going to take care in today's class. So I hope all of you are awesome, wonderful and excited. Okay, so my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am a master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad and been teaching from the past 5 years. So welcome and let's move ahead. All right, so this is the homework question which I gave you in the previous class, although this time it became little bit weird because no one gave me the answer in the comment section till the time I am like waiting. I'm doing it right now, the recording, so I saw there was no answer by now. So guys, please don't forget to give the answer here. All right, it will mean a lot. Okay, chalo. So what do we have now? If suppose, I don't know whether if you understood this question or not. If you were not able to solve it, let me tell you the solution. So we have m plus n upon m plus 3n is equal to 2 by 3 given. Let's cross multiply, guys. So if I cross multiply, it will be 3m plus 3n is equal to 2m plus 6n. Shift 2m. Shift 2m over there, 3n over here. So you'll get 3m minus 2m is equal to 6n minus 3n. So you have got m is equal to 3n, or we can say m by n is equal to 3 is to 1, right? So I have got the ratio of m and n. So if I take the value of m as, let's say, 3k and the value of n as, let's say, k, then this value I can easily find out 2n square, which is given to me as 2n square upon 3m square plus mn. So write in place of n k. So 2 into k square into divided by 3 into 3k square plus 3k into k. So you'll be getting 2k square divided by 3k square will be 9k square, 9 3s are 27. So 27k square plus 3k square, which is 30k square. So you have got 2k square upon 30k square. You can see k square to k square got cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 15s are. So the answer is 1 is to 15. Alright. So the ratio of 2n square upon 3m square plus mn is 1 is to 15. So what I did, beta, first I found out the ratio of m is to n, and whatever ratio is there, those value I have put in the given part. So 1 is to 15 will be our correct answer. Alright, okay, chalo, let's move ahead now. Is it clear? I hope it is clear now, right? Very easy problem, right? Okay, chalo, let's move ahead now. So the next part, let us start with the topic of today, that is proportion. So what is proportion, guys? What is proportion? Proportion, if I say, it means that we are comparing two ratios. All right, and this is the important question of today, and it is guarantee you stay in this session, understand each and every problem. By the time we'll reach over here, you'll be able to understand this question very easily. That will be sure, guarantee. Alright, so that is what you are going to understand. Amazing question. We are going to solve some very difficult questions, amazing questions. Although this topic is comparatively easy, so I'll try to involve all those questions which are big one and which can be there in the examination for more number of marks. So starting from proportion, beta. So we say if four quantities are in proportion, if for non-zero quantities, we don't want them quantities to be zero because otherwise ratio becomes difficult. So let's say A, B, C, D, their order matters a lot. The order in which I will say them, it matters a lot. So if I say A, B, C, D are in proportion, I can say that means the ratio of the first two numbers is same as ratio of the last two numbers. That is what proportion means. That is what proportion means. Proportion means ratios are equal. So if four quantities are in proportion, we can say the ratio of the first two quantities is same as the ratio of the last two quantities. Alright, so we can say A is to B is proportional to C is to D, or we can say A is to B as C is to D. Alright, another sign for proportional. See, if I have A is to B, now this proportional sign is this four dots. Alright, this also, this four dots shows proportional sign. Alright, ठीक है beta, so that is proportion, simple. Now in this, if I have suppose A by B is equal to C by D, and if I do the cross multiplication, I will get A into D is equal to B into C. So I can clearly say, sir, A into D, that means product of the extremes, the four out of four quantities, first quantity and the fourth quantity, extremes at the corners. So product of the extremes is equal to product of the means, the ones which are in the middle. Simple thing, simple cross multiplication. So product of the extreme is same as the product of the means. Then a very important topic, if I ask like in this chapter, one is the properties of proportion and one is this continued proportion. These two topics are very important. Now when I talk about continued proportion, instead of four quantities, we have three quantities only, which is A, B and C. Again, here order matters a lot. A, B and C. So what do we say? In continued proportion beta, the ratio of the first and second quantity, ratio of first and second quantity is equal to the ratio of second and third quantity. So you can clearly see over here, the second quantity is present in both the ratio. Ratio of first to second is same as second to third. Alright, so if it is possible for three numbers, then we can say those three numbers are in continued proportion. Alright, so if the ratio of the first to the second is same as the ratio of the second to the third, we can say they are in continued proportion. Now here if I use this law, multiplication of the extremes and multiplication of means, you will get B square is equal to AC. This is the most important thing from continued proportion. If you get a question from continued proportion, make sure B square equal to AC. Don't forget this thing. It will be useful for you. Okay, B square is equal to AC. Alright. Okay. Beta in this na, the B which is in the middle, this B is called mean proportion, and the quantity C, the third quantity, is called third proportion. Alright, third proportion to A and B. Okay, अब देखो question देखना, listen to the question carefully. What the question is saying, if x plus 5 is the mean proportion between x plus 2 and x plus 9, find the value of x. So they are clearly saying x plus 5 is the mean proportion between x plus 2 and x plus 9. So x plus 2 is the first quantity, x plus 5 is the mean proportion, and then x plus 9. Order matters a lot. So I can say that's our x plus 2 upon x plus 5, the ratio is same as x plus 5 upon x plus 9. So if I'll cross multiply, I'll get x plus 5 whole square is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 9. And this I can write directly also, because I know B square is equal to AC. So mean proportional square will be equal to x plus 2 into x plus 9. Okay? So x plus 5 whole square will be x square plus 25 plus 2 into x into 5 is plus 10x. Here x into x, x square, plus 2x plus 9x is plus 11x plus 18. X square to x square got cancelled. 10x shifted over there. 11x minus 10x is x, and 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. So x equal to 7 is my correct answer. So easy. Right, x equal to 7 is my answer. Mean proportion. Alright, easy question. This topic itself is easy, yaar. This topic itself is easy. Next question देखो. A, B and C are in continued proportion and A times of B minus C is equal to 2B. Prove that A minus C is equal to 2 times of A plus B into A. So now beta, in this question what do we have? We have A, B and C. These are the three quantities which are in continued proportion. So if A, B and C are in continued proportion, if they are in continued proportion beta, one thing I can say for sure, B square is equal to AC. Yes or no? Yes sir. So this is the thing which I need to remember, B square is equal to AC. I will use it. What they want me to prove, and one more thing is given to me, that is A times of B minus C is equal to 2B. Let's simplify this, right? So I will get A into B is AB, A into C is minus AC is equal to 2B. Beta, I know this place of AC I can write B square. So I can write it as AB minus B square is equal to 2B. Take B common over here. We are left with A minus B is equal to 2B. B to B got cancelled. We got one more relation, that is A minus B is equal to 2. We got one more relation, that is A minus B is equal to 2. So this is the quantity, or these are the things which I have got, this information I have got from the question. Can I get anything else from the question? No, nothing else now we know. Then the question is, prove that A minus C is equal to 2 times of A plus B upon A. So let us see, let us start with LHS. So LHS is A minus C. Whenever you have to prove na LHS equal to RHS, we start with LHS and we try to create RHS. Ab dekho, I know A minus C, how do I take there? I am not getting any idea at all. I'm not getting any idea at all. Then I saw that sir, here na, in RHS I have A in denominator. Listen how I am thinking. I saw I have A in the denominator. So let's do one thing here also. Let us create A. So what I am doing, I am multiplying with A both the numerator and denominator. So it will become A into A is A square minus AC whole divided by A. What I have created, A square minus AC is whole divided by A. And beta, we know AC can be written as B square. So this can be written as A square minus B square upon A. And A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B into A minus B whole divided by A. And beta, we know A minus B is equal to 2. So it will be 2 times of A plus B divided by A, which is equal to your RHS. Hence proved, right? Hence proved LHS is equal to RHS. So there was only one step. I wanted to create this RHS. So I saw in the denominator we have small a. So I have multiplied and divided this fraction A minus C with A and got my answer. So this is how you need to approach any question. Whenever prove that, prove this, these questions are given, try to approach this in a way that from LHS you have to move towards RHS, and always keep whatever you have got from the given information, that keep it at side, and that is very important. So at this step here I have used equation 1, B square is equal to AC from equation 1, and at this step this 2 we have got it from equation 2, right? So this is how I have got the information. That is why keep it, write it in a very neat manner. Okay, this is how this question will be solved. Next question, let's look at the next question. Next question is this: what least number must be subtracted from each of the numbers 7, 17 and 47 so that the remainders, that means after subtracting whatever is left, they are in continued proportion. So let's say the number to be subtracted, let's say the number to be subtracted is x. So I can say now from 7 we have subtracted x, from 17 we have subtracted x, and from 47 we have subtracted x, and now they are in continued proportion. So I can say 17 minus x whole square is 7 minus x into 47 minus x. So 17 minus x whole square, 17 square is 289 plus x square minus 34x is equal to 7 into 47. 7 7s are 49 power 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 4 is 32. So 329 minus 7x minus 47x. So 3 minus 54x we have over here. And then n minus x into x is plus x square. Alright, अब बेटा देखो again x square got cancelled. Shift minus 54 over there, 289 over here. So we have 54x minus will become plus, minus 34x is 329 minus 289. 54 minus 34 will be 20x, and 329 minus 289 will be equal to 40. So x is equal to 240 by 20. Done. What else? Nothing. Alright, so continued proportion beta, very important topic. See how different types of questions can be given from continued proportion. So the answer over here will be x equal to 2. The answer over here is x is equal to 2. ठीक है बेटा, अब देखो one more question. Given 4 quantities A, B, C and D are in the proportion A, B, and now this time continued proportion I'm not giving, I'm giving them as in proportion. So if they are in proportion beta, I know A by B is equal to C by D, right? That is what proportion means. They are saying show that A minus C into B square is to B minus D into CD is proportional to A square minus B square minus AB is to C square minus D square minus CD. अब देखो बेटा, try to notice one thing, all A, B, C, D, everything is present in this what I want to prove, that these two are equal. So in these kind of question, we try to remove as many variables as possible. Like suppose if I can eliminate A or eliminate C or eliminate B or eliminate D, I will try to do that. So what I'll do, I will write this ratio with, let's say, equal to K. So I can say, sir, A by B is equal to K. That means A can be written as K times of B, KB. And C by D is equal to K also. So C can be written as KD. Alright. Now in this part beta, let us first see what is LHS. What is LHS? So LHS, we have A minus C into B square divided by B minus D into CD. So we will be getting A minus C. A I can write it as KB. Okay. KB minus KD. Sorry, this bracket became too big. Okay. KB minus KD into B square divided by B minus D into CD. Alright, B, okay. B and D I have kept it in the same. C I can write as KD, na? Better write C as KD. If I can write C as KD, let us write it as KD. So C I can write it as KD into D. Okay, so it will become C. I can take numerator K common into B minus D into B square divided by here B minus D into K into D into D, which is D square. So you can see beta, B minus D got cancelled, K to K got cancelled. LHS is equal to B square by D square. LHS is equal to B square minus D square. अब देखो, it's not like B square D square. Now further let's do something to create RHS side. Let's see now what RHS. Let us simplify RHS also, because the expression is very big. So if I will look at the RHS, RHS is a square minus b square minus ab divided by c square minus d square minus cd. Let us replace a, I can write as kb whole square minus b square minus kb into b divided by c square is kd whole square minus d square minus kd into d. So we are getting k square b square minus b square minus kb square upon k square d square minus d square minus k d square. Alright, अब let us try to take common. I can see b square can be taken common in the numerator, d square can be taken common in the denominator. So if b square, if I take common over here, I will get k square minus 1 minus k, and here if I take d square common, I'll get k square minus 1 minus k. Again this to this got cancelled. At the end answer is again b square by d square. So guys, you can clearly see both LHS and RHS are equal, and if LHS is equal to RHS, we can clearly say hence proved. We can clearly say hence proved. Easy na, right? Okay, so this is how this question can be solved. Very good question it is. Let's give it 2 stars. Alright, this is how this question will be done. Now see guys, it is very important the way we are moving ahead in the questions, right? One by one, increasing the difficulty level. Now I will go for the properties. So structured way of studies is very important. What I want to tell you over here, that you need to study in a structured way. Start with the theory, understand the theory, then see the simple questions, then go with the mediocre one, then go for the difficult questions. If you start a topic and you start only with difficult question, you get demotivated that yeah, first question I have picked and I'm not even able to solve that as well. So that mindset will make you demotivated कि अरे यार नहीं यार, this subject is very difficult, I can't even solve any one question. But what if the remaining questions are very easy? So this confidence you can get if you will study in a very structured manner, one by one, step by step, moving ahead. Alright, so for this reason, like, you need proper guidance, and then guidance you can get from anywhere, from any of your teachers, from your parents, from your siblings, or you can also get this guidance, this amazing guidance to make your journey smooth, to get the confidence in examination through Vedantu's Pro Subscription. So guys, what I am telling you right now, that in this guidance which I am telling you, which will help you to reach to your goal, to improve in your marks, Vedantu is the most reliable source. Why it is your most reliable source? Because this gives you Vedantu improvement promise. Yes, Vedantu's improvement promise. We are promising you upon improvement, not even promising, we are guaranteeing you on improvement. So we give you guaranteed improvement. We give you guaranteed improvement. Yes, you heard me right. We take the full responsibility and full ownership of your studies. You join Vedantu, we say it is our responsibility now that you will improve in your marks. If you don't improve even after attending the classes of Vedantu, we will return you your whole fees back. Yes, you heard me right guys. Your whole course fee will be returned if you do not improve in your marks. That's the promise which we are giving, and that clearly shows how much reliable source Vedantu is and how much confidence we have in ourselves. I'll tell you more in detail about this, but let me tell you first about the features which you are getting in Vedantu's Pro Subscription. So first thing guys, you get unlimited live classes. You can attend as many live classes as you want. Alright, no restriction on the number of classes, and all classes are going to be filled with fun and high level quizzes. Next, students from the different parts of the world, so you can see actually where do you stand. Next, interactive replay. That means like even when you're watching the recording, maybe you want to revise or you have missed the class, any reason, even when you're watching the recording, guys, you can attend the quizzes. So it will not be like you are just watching a movie or getting there is no interaction in recording. Even in recording, attend the quiz, see how much you have understood the concept, and you can see your marks and your name in the leaderboard as well. Then you'll get quality notes, assignments, test series, everything at one place. Also, doubts. I know you must be thinking, sir, what about our doubts? So guys, don't worry, in our classes at Vedantu, other than the master teacher, there are other dedicated teachers present in the class to take care of the students. Students can interact with them any time during the class to ask any of their doubts, and these teachers are highly knowledgeable in their respective subjects. Amazing teaching qualities they have, so they'll make sure that your doubt is resolved. Okay, and then you get unlimited modular courses, that is micro courses and crash courses. So guys, these courses now, these are some small chapter specific course, and these chapter specific course, when you take, you can just finish the chapter whenever you want. All right, suppose a test is coming for a particular chapter, you want to revise that, take the micro course of that chapter. You want to study a chapter in advance, take the micro course of that chapter. You want to revise something, you can take micro course, crash course. So anything, this is all at your hands. You can study as many top classes as you want, and you can study a topic as many times as you want. All right, and with this micro courses, you can also try to see how other teachers are. You can study it from the different teachers, so you can get the idea that okay, this chapter I learned from him the best, this chapter I learned from him the best, and all these things you can enjoy. So remember, less is more, less price, more classes. The link for registration to Vedantu's Pro Subscription is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. But don't forget to apply the coupon code, that is GPE Pro. So this coupon code number GPE Pro, this will give you 10% off on your price. Whatever price you will be showing over there, it will give you 10% off, and this will be the minimum price at which you will get this course. All right, so let me quickly show you guys that how you can register for the course. For example, let's say this is the video over here. Okay, now in this video, in the description box here, you can see register for Vedantu Pro Subscription. Just click on this link. Once you have clicked over here, now here, by clicking on edit, you can change your grade also, or you can change your board also. I have kept grade 10th ICSE. Then click on get started. Now here you have guys Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. So these are the three courses according to your own need. All have different features. Let's talk about say Pro Plus. So Pro Plus has live classes, test series analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during classes. Then doubt solving on the mobile app as well, and personal mentor, which is like you can think of them as your teacher, coach, motivator, supporter. Any doubt you have, you can always ask them. So these are all the features of the Pro Plus, and this Pro Plus will be available to you at this price. Now you can see the prices are different according to the features. All the features you can see over here. Suppose if you want to buy Pro Plus, do one thing. You can directly go for buy complete course, but guys, please make sure here GPE Pro is applied. If not, click over here and write GPE Pro and click on apply. All right, once this is done beta, you can buy the complete course. Now suppose paying this all together is difficult, don't worry guys, EMI option are also there, which is starting from as low as rupees 2,800 per month, and this includes your all the subjects. Now if you want to think, sir, I really like it a lot, but I want to try whether it will work for me or not, no problem. You can try these courses for 1 month. So just click on try for 1 month. You can see the trial, and if you enjoy it, you're welcome to join it for the whole program. Any other doubt which I was not able to answer, all right, please go to the frequently asked question page, and here guys you will get the answer to all your questions. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों, चलो अभी let's move ahead and let's talk about the properties of proportion. What does properties of proportion? First one is invertendo. What is invertendo? Suppose beta, if I have a by b is equal to c by d, I can reciprocate both the sides. So I can say, sir, b by a will be equal to d by c. Same thing is written over here. We can reciprocate both the ratios. Then alternando. What is alternando? We have a by b is equal to c by d. I can shift c over here. C will go in division. B shifting over there. B will go in multiplication. So it can be written as a by c is equal to b by d. So that is what it is saying, that the means can be interchanged. We can interchange b, c. That is why alternando. Alright. Then we have componendo. So if I have a by b is proportional to c is to d, then I can say their sum, a plus b sum with c plus d sum is proportional with b and d as well. So a plus b is to b is proportional to c plus d is to d. Dividendo, we will be doing the difference, and then we'll join both componendo and dividendo, which is the most important properties. A is to b is proportional to c is to the d. Then we can say a plus b is to a minus b is proportional to c plus d is to c minus d. This is the most important property. I will solve the questions, and in examination most of the time the question comes from this problem. How the questions will be, just listen. Amazing question I am going to tell you today. This is what we are solving. Very important question. Amazing. So this is what I have told you guys, that by the end we'll be able to solve these kind of questions. Let's see. We have square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 upon square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2. Now if you will see over here guys, numerator is a plus b, denominator is a minus b. So whenever these kind of things you will see, do apply componendo and dividendo. So if I will apply that, so I know root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 1 by 2. Let's apply componendo and dividendo. So add both, first time we'll add both the numerator and denominator. So here we have numerator is square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1. This is the numerator. In that add square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 whole divided by, now subtract square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1, that is the numerator, x minus 1, sorry, yeah. So x minus 1 here, it also x minus 1. This is the numerator. Now numerator minus denominator. So square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1. Same thing we'll do over here as well. So 4x minus 1 plus 2 and then 4x minus 1 minus 2. What I have done? Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator on the both side. So if I will open the bracket now beta, you can clearly see the square root of x minus 1 will get cancelled. It is plus square root of x minus 1 minus square root of x minus 1. This got cancelled. So we are left with 2 times of square root of x plus 1 divided by, this time if I open the bracket beta, it will become minus of square root of x plus 1. Minus into minus will be plus square root of x minus 1. So this time square root of x plus 1 will be get cancelled. 2 times of square root of x minus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1 upon 4x minus 3. This to this got cancelled. Right? Ab beta dekho. Now if I move further ahead, what I can do over here is, sir, let's do one thing. Sir, let's get rid of the square root sign. So what I'll do now beta, after this step I will say, sir, square on both sides to get rid of the square roots, right? So if I'll do square on both the sides, I will get x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Square root is gone. And here 4x plus 1 whole square will be 16x square plus 1 plus 8x. And here it will be 16x square plus 9 minus 4 3s are 12 minus 24x. Alright. Now beta again see here x plus 1 x minus 1. Let's apply componendo and dividendo rule one more time. So here one time we have applied Componendo and dividendo rule. This time also again let's apply Componendo and dividendo rule, C and D rule. Alright, so it will be numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator is equal to, here numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Alright, तो बेटा देखो अब if I will add over here x plus 1 plus x minus 1, 1 will get cancelled. Here we are left with the 2x divided by, here x and minus x will get cancelled, 1 and minus into minus is plus 1 will be 2 is equal to, here 16x square plus 16x square we have, 1 plus 9 is plus 10, 8x minus 24 we have. So here we'll be getting 32x square. Let me write it on the second page. So here we have 2x by 2 is equal to 16 plus 16, 32x square. Alright, 16 plus 16 beta, we have 32x square plus 10 minus 16x. Alright, so 32x square plus 10x. 32x square. Alright, then what we have? Plus 10 minus 16x. Plus 10 minus 16x divided by, then what will happen? Here x square term will get cancelled. 1 minus 9 will be minus 8. 8x plus 24x. So 24 plus 8 is 32x. So 32x minus 8. So here we will get minus 8 plus 32x. Here 2 to 2 got cancelled. Shift x over there. So minus 8 into x will be minus 8x. X into 32x square is plus 32x square is equal to 32x square plus 10 minus 16x. 32x square got cancelled. Shift minus 16 over there. It will become plus 16. So 16x minus 8x is equal to 10. So 8x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 by 8, which is equal to 5 by 4. So x equal to 5 by 4 will be my correct answer. So beta, we have done this time 2 times I have applied Componendo and dividendo. Alright, 2 times I have applied Componendo and dividendo. First at the starting, then I have done the square to get rid of the square root, and one more time I have again used Componendo and dividendo, and finally I have got the answer x is equal to 5 by 4. Okay? So this is a very good question. Now let's solve one more question of same type so that we'll be able to understand this question more clearly. Here we have square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b upon square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b is equal to x. Prove that this. So beta dekho, if I have square root of a plus 3b plus square root of a minus 3b divided by square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b is equal to x. So if I use Componendo and dividendo rule, beta, applying Componendo and dividendo rule. So applying C and D rule, Componendo and dividendo rule, I will first add the numerators. So square root of a plus b plus square root of a minus 3b plus square root of a plus 3b minus square root of a minus 3b. So this will get cancelled. Directly I am writing, we'll get 2 times of square root of a plus 3b. And if we'll use the subtraction in both, so the a plus 3b will change the sign and we'll get 2 times of square root of a minus 3b. Please see it one more time on your own as well. And here we'll be getting x, I can write as x plus 1. X I can write as x by 1. So it will be x plus 1 upon x minus 1. A plus b into a minus 1. This got cancelled. Now what is the next step? Obviously, get rid of the square roots. So if I will do square on both sides, if I will do square on both sides, I'll get a plus 3b upon a minus 3b is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1. Alright, next what you can do? Sir, obviously, sir, let's do the Componendo dividend rule one more time. So again, if I'll apply C and D rule, applying C and D rule. So a plus 3b plus a minus 3b. So b 3b will get cancelled. We'll get 2a divided by 6b is equal to x square plus x square 2x square plus 2x minus 2x got cancelled. 1 plus 1 is plus 2. And your x square will get cancelled if I subtract them. 2x minus 2x is upon 4x. So here 2 1s are, 2 3s are. And here if I take 2 common, so 2 times of x square plus 1. So here we have a by 3b is equal to x square plus 1. If I take 2 common, 2 to 2 will get cancelled upon 2x. Let's cross multiply. What we have? We have a by 3b is equal to x square plus 1 upon 2x. Cross multiply. So we can say, sir, 3b into x square plus 3b is equal to 2ax. Shift 2ax over there. So 3b x square minus 2ax plus 3b equal to 0. And that is what you wanted to prove. Simple. Right? So using Componendo and dividendo rule, beta, see, these difficult questions also can be solved very easily. These difficult questions also can be solved very easily. So although this chapter is very easy but very useful, don't forget it. Sometimes very difficult problem, like you see how difficult is this problem. If you'll go with the rationalization, if you'll do, it will take a lot of time, but with Componendo dividendo rule, it's solved very quickly. All right, so these are the important problems, guys, from this particular subtopic, which is proportion and properties of proportion. I am giving you one question for your homework. All right, so this is your homework question, and please don't forget to give me the answer in the comment section. I would this time wait for all of your answers to see how many of you will be able to understand, and will be giving me the answer in the comment section. Okay, beta, down below I would wait for your answer. Also, please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Next session, beta, we will be talking about direct application. So in direct application, it means like we will be discussing about simple word problems. All right, so this is all in today's class. I have already told you, you can apply for you can go for Vedantu's Pro Subscription by the link mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. And don't forget to apply GPE Pro to get 10% off. Now coming to Vedantu's improvement promise, beta, I have told you that we are taking the full ownership, full guarantee of your studies. And if we do not fulfill that promise, if you do not see improvement in your marks, your whole course fee will be returned. Get your whole course fee back, no question asked. Yes, as simple as that. We want you for that. What we want you to be with us throughout the year. So we want you to take our long-term courses. That means you should be with us for the whole year to see first improvement. And also, once you have taken the classes, minimum 75% of the classes and test you must attend. Ab dekho yaar, 75% we have kept it low only. It's not like keeping 100%, because then in that case, some students may be like they are coming daily, but maybe for one day internet issue they are not able to join. And it should not be like we will not promise them now, no, you will not see improvement. Yeah, we again will promise you that you will see improvement. That is why 75% we have kept. If you are going below 75%, that means 75% of the portion you have not understood, and in maths all connected, so it becomes very difficult, right? So if we know 75% of the classes you are coming, you are regular, and you are regular, you will improve. So these are the very small conditions kept over there, and which any students always fulfill. 75% is a very least percentage of attendance, and they'll always fulfill. All right, so the batches are starting very soon, beta, and please don't start till the batches don't wait till the batches start, because take the course. Micro courses are available. Start taking micro courses, start seeing different teachers, and whatever teacher you like the most, go for their long-term courses. Alright, so this is all beta, and don't forget GPE Pro to get 10% off. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.